everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys some fun gifts I got from my parents, and I just wanted to do a cool, quick review with you guys here, or a little reveal, actually, and let's see what we got. There we go. Oh, yeah. So we got a whole stamp, little wax seal kit. So that's really cool. And you got the little, where you put the candle underneath it and heat up the spoon, like that. So this will be fun to play with for sure with you guys. Oh my goodness. There, we got some other ones that came with it. Let's see. Ooh, butterfly. Okay, and oh, it's a thank you. I thought that one was really fun. And then it comes with all the wax, little waxes here, and I think this is glitter, which is scary in my craft room. Ooh, I don't know about glitter. It gets everywhere. And then some envelopes. Oh, these are fun. Got envelopes, candles, and then you can make the molds. So that's neat. Oh, I'm gonna have to get all that glitter off everything. So that's fun. Okay, so let's put this to the side, and then we got some more goodies. Okay, let's see. Got another one here. Be careful how I open it, because I can use this to make journals with. There we go. Oh yeah. Got the Christmas ideology. So this I want to incorporate into my new project when we do a trash journal. I want to add some of the Tim Holtz and different things like that, and some fun little extras on the side. Plus use some stuff around the house. So I think that would be really fun to play with. So these are going to be great. Okay. Oh, and then I also got these too. Some of the vintage photos, the found relatives. So I think that one's going to be fun to play with. And let's see. Oh, and I also got some fabric tape. See here. I love these bubble mailers. These are really cool. Oh yeah, look at that. For my stamps. I've been needing these. So I got just the acrylic blocks here, so I can add my stamps on top of them and be able to stamp. So I got different sizes. Wow. So those are really cool. Those are going to be fun to play with. Make my life a little bit easier. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Oh, these are going to be fun. They're the vintage Christmas cards, little tags. So I'll make sure to put all this down in the description below if you guys want to come check them out in my Amazon links, but these are going to be fun to play with. So we got all these and these. I mean, this is just so cool. I think that's all the kinds that we got. Oh, snowmen. Let's see what the variety is. Oh, and you get the ribbon. And then, yes, I mean, these are just gonna be so cool. And then the Christmas bells. So these are gonna be fun to do in projects and to put on Christmas packagings. Yeah, all right. So that's definitely a plus. Put that to the side there. And let's see, I got a couple more things here. Oh, some stamps. Some fun ticket stamps. So those are really cool. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Is that fun? So we got little ticket stamps to play with. So those are gonna go great on my little blocks here. Let's see. Let's test one out. So I just take it and I can stick it right on there, and then it's gonna be so much easier just to stamp with these. All right. So I like that. Okay. Oh, Christmas stencils. So I'm getting ready for Christmas here, and I want to make a fun journal with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yeah, hit the like button on this video. It really helps me out a lot. And I really appreciate you guys. Well, let's see. So this is like a big snowflakes. These are going to be fun to play with. And then you got the little ones around it. I don't know if you guys are able to see that here. Maybe if I go like this. I think that'll be easier to see. So those are really cool. Yeah. And I love that there's little ones too, so you don't have to just have the big one. So we got that and that. So there we go. That's my big reveal today. See, yep, that's all of it. And this is so much fun. And I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time.